So here is the fix for Temu app code doesn't work. You can click on my link down in the description to get your $100 coupon bundle and use my code ACR697477 to get 30% off. So in order to fix the app code not working issue, first of all, go over to your phone settings. After that, scroll down and go to General. From here, you need to go to iPhone storage right here. Then once you're in the storage or app section, scroll through the list to find Temu. So I will scroll through all my apps and look for Temu in the list. And once you find it, tap on it. So once you're in this section, you need to tap on Offload App and then select Offload App to confirm. This will remove Temu from your phone. Then you need to tap on Reinstall App in order to reinstall Temu again. And once the Temu app is reinstalled on your phone, your issue with the app code will be fixed.